Hello, everyone. I hope you all are having a wonderful day and a wonderful evening. I thought I'd pop on here real quick to show you all how I have decorated my bedroom. It's not overly decorated, essentially by not spending a dime. And I've been in this house a couple of years now, but I like to shop just inside of my home. I move things from room to room, and that's how I decorate my home on a budget. Okay, this is what my bedroom looks like, standing in my bathroom, looking into my bedroom. So there's my bed. I don't have a picture over my bed yet, although I do have pictures. I am terrible when it comes to hanging pictures. And so sadly, I've been in this house for 2 years and I have not hung my new pictures over my bed yet. So this is a very comfy, cozy bedroom. It's in the evening time now when I'm recording this. So I thought maybe it'd be a good idea to let you all see what it looks like in the evening time. So there's my dresser. This bedroom set I picked up at a furniture store in Austin. I really like it. Um, this comforter set here is actually very beautiful. I picked it up from Macy's. It's a quilt set. I bought it a couple of years ago on clearance. It was marked down from $300. I think I paid $100 for it. Okay, it's a really great deal. Um, this bedroom set I purchased in Austin over a year. I just made the monthly payments. I did the store financing, in-store financing, and I paid it off in a year. And when I moved here to this state from Texas, unfortunately, it got banged up a little bit. I have a couple of nicks here and there from it just being moved uh, from state to state, but it's okay. And okay, someone visited my house recently and asked me where I got this big furniture from. I said, big furniture? I guess she was used to seeing like really small. I'm not sure. It was kind of, I thought it was kind of a strange question. I love lamps. I have tons and tons of little lamps. This is a little lamp that I picked up from Pier 1 about 5 years ago. I have lots of little lamps. Okay, my handsome children there. I love decorating with little boxes. I have quite a few of these. These are very inexpensive. You can pick these up from Tuesday morning, although they might be going out of business right now, I think. They're everywhere. They're at Michael's, they're at Ross. They're great for storing things, plus they're very pretty. Look at the top of that. Isn't that gorgeous? The runner that I have on here is actually the table runner that I purchased for a dinette set that I no longer use. So I thought, you know what? This will be a good way for me to preserve the integrity of the finish on my dresser. And then also, use, not just fold that thing up and put it in the closet somewhere. So there's my little dresser. So this is what I absolutely love. Check out this painting. This painting I purchased from an antique store in North Carolina. I'm going to zoom out here. There we go. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is the only thing in my room that I pretty much did not get on sale. I think I paid about $350 or something like that for this painting. It's an oil painting, okay? Let me get a little closer here so you can see the work. And it was painted by an artist named A. Williams. Not sure what that first name is, but there's the signature. I tried to find this artist online, but I was not successful. But I think this painting is from the 70s maybe. But I just love the detail. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? And I decided to keep it inside the frame because I think frames are just as beautiful as the pictures that are inside of them. Okay, so I truly love this painting. Okay, let me enlarge this again. Okay. And I love it because when I wake up in the morning, it's the first thing that I see. And it's actually the only picture that I think I have one more picture on the walls here. I have to tell you all about this lamp. I got two of these lamps from, I believe it's called the Home Store, about 5 years ago in Austin for $29 each. Can you not stand it? Look at this. $29. Got two of them. And I just have a little placemat there to protect my little nightstand. This is a functional nightstand, so of course it has things inside of there where you can charge your phone and things like that. This little calendar here, my daughter purchased that for me about maybe 20 years ago when she was in high school. I love it. Okay. My curtains are very beautiful. I don't know if you all can see these curtains. I decided to go with shears because I don't like being in a dark house. So putting up shears helps to keep my room nice and bright. Okay, and there's something else in this room that means the world to me. And that is this little canister or jar, not sure what you want to call it. My mother purchased this for me in 1999 at a silent auction in Palm Beach, Florida. And a couple of months later, she passed away. So I just really, really, really love it. And I treasure it. And I really only keep things in here that mean something to me. Okay. So this is what my bedroom looks like in the evening time. The light bulbs that I have in those lamps are called candlelight bulbs. Let me zoom out here so you can kind of see. There we go. And there's my tray ceiling there. It's quite pretty. That ceiling fan gets plenty of use. Okay, and then of course, here's my other dresser here. And my guitar, which I'm trying to learn how to play. And this flower here, I made a video about this flower. It was a gift to me from a lady at church around 2008, 2009, something like that. She was my secret sister, and she made that for me and had someone else give it to me. I thought it was nice. And then here's my little reading area. This is where I sit in the mornings to just read. I read my Bible in the mornings. I might pray. I might just drink my coffee, turn on the Flintstones and listen to the Flintstones. Very cute little area with a cute painting. I really like that. I think that's super cute. Y'all see that? My daughter purchased that some years ago, and I just really love it. So I have not had to spend any money. Actually, that's not true. These flowers here, I got these from the dollar store. I think I paid $9 for the flowers. And that pretty little vase there, I've had it forever. I bought it from the Bon Ton, maybe around 2007, 2008. And here's that other shoe rack that I purchased from Macy's. Got it on clearance for $19. It was such a huge steal because it's such great quality wood. And then here is, I'm sorry about my fancy camera work. This is just my master bathroom. I love girly rooms. And I feel like if you have an area in your house that has a door, then it's a room, and you can dress it up like it's a room. So the rug that's on the floor here is quite pretty. I ordered it from, I believe, Dillard's or Macy's, and it was for my foyer area by the front door, but it kind of didn't fit. So I thought, let me just stick it in my bathroom and see how I like it. And lo and behold, it actually worked out very well. There we go. So not too much going on in here. This is very important, you all, okay? Look for the good in all moments. If you don't have money to shop, shop in your house. And that's a good thing because you're saving money. Okay, I'm going to open up my glass shower door here and show you all something. These windows, I installed myself some window film, okay? I really like that. It gives me some privacy, okay? And I took my soaps and things like that out of here. Nobody wants to see soap. And these little flowers came from Hobby Lobby. They're all over my house. They were really cheap. They were left over from my daughter's wedding. Okay, and let's see. Over here, these are just things that were kind of in my house. I've had this picture here. Oh, wow. Probably since around '08. I got it from Kirkland's. And I really like this picture. And just put it in my bathroom. This is another pretty box, okay? I keep cards in there, cards and stationery. This lovely candle here I picked up from the art museum. And this bottle over here in the corner, I purchased from Kirkland's forever ago, probably around '08. Oh, and here's my pretty flowers. Now, I've had these flowers a few months. They were in my kitchen, and actually they were on my island, and I had two vases. I knocked one of the vases off of my countertop. Oh my goodness. This vase I got from Haverty's, half price. It was in the back of the store on a shelf. It was I think it was like a $50 vase that I got for $25. And these flowers just came from Hobby Lobby. I love feminine, girly things. And that's why I have these things in my bathroom. And then over here, so I typically don't keep stuff all over my counter. I have things in baskets down there. Okay, let me tell you about these flowers here. These are actually, let me zoom in. These are actually from Michael's. The flower pot I got for $6, okay? It was on clearance. These flowers I also purchased for, I believe these were $6. These are actually wedding bouquets that I cut down the size and stuck them in these $6 pots. So each of these cost $12 total to make. I love the colors. And I just rigged them up and stuck them in there. You know, you can decorate your bathroom and your home without spending a dime. You really can. Just shuffle things around from room to room. That's just a pretty little plate there. And then over here is a cute flower that I picked up from the dollar store. It was $5. And I like it because it looks like it's wrapped in burlap, sort of, but it's not. And then this beautiful candle holder here. I've had that for up 10 years. And so this is mine. Let me back up so you can see what I see. So this is how I decorate my little space. And I'm so happy with it. It's just fine for me. I do plan on painting the walls. I'm going to hire someone to paint the walls. I'm not going to do it myself. I know my limitations. And that's going to be about it. I might move some things around from another part of the house into here when I get sick of looking at what's in here. But yeah, this is my space, okay? And it's nice and comfy, cozy once again. I spent pretty much nothing decorating in here. You don't really have to spend money. You just don't. Um yeah, this is it. And so, I hope you all have enjoyed this little video of how I decorate basically my home without spending money. Okay, once again, thank you so much for watching my video. In a couple of weeks, I'll probably come back here and show you all my bedroom closet, which is pretty huge. I actually decorate my closet also. I do. I decorate my laundry room. I decorate my mud room, my office. If it's a room, it gets decorated. Might not have the best decorations in the world, but they're decorations nonetheless. It's what I do here. I'm always thinking of ways to make things look nice in my house on a budget, like on a serious budget. It can be done. It can be done. So anyways, I hope you all enjoy the rest of your evening or the rest of your week. If you are enjoying what you see here on this channel, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. I do all kinds of things. Mainly, I just want to encourage people to be content with what you have. What you have is actually enough. It's good enough. Be content with it. Take what you have and work with it. There's a saying, one man's trash is another man's treasure. If you have things in one room that you're not using, hey, make them your own treasure. Fix them up, spruce them up, and put them somewhere in your house. And beautify your house without spending a single dime. I also do just all kinds of things on here, but everything I do is going to be something that will encourage you all, okay? Anyways, I will see you all later, and enjoy the rest of your day.